Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce an app. It's called MoJo Reels and Video Captions. So basically this is the application that you can create social content with animated templates, text styles and video captions. So all the premium quality effects and style is available here. Like if you want to get the attractive video templates, then you can use this app. So the name of the app MoJo, you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store, and you can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5 and 2 lakhs reviews and 129 megabyte size of the app. And you can see 10 million plus people already download this app. Like if you want to see more about this app, then you can get like effortless automated video caption. So like if you speak, you don't need to give the title or caption on your videos manually. AI generated it for you, and you can see here how it looks like the template. Okay, and create training reels most videos in seconds. So you can create the training videos and 100 templates for all social platform, and background removal in one tap. Like also there is some feature here that just need to tap on the one click, then your photos background will be removed. And add professional text effects and sticker. So you can see there are many good effects all in one videos editor for social media. Music for commercial use, like you'll get here copyright free music. And share, you can share directly on your social media, and the same feature you'll get the other video or reels making. And many people say it's really good, they give the positive reviews, and some people also give the ratings. You can rate before downloading this app, and I'll create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.